It's an elevated motorsports fun day. We like to practice outdoor training.
Outdoor training? In case we get stuck on a highway in real life situations. Oh wait. Yo, we out here at Carlo's house right now. We got the Evo, we got the Subi, we got the fucking S2K. Oh, peep the march, boy!
Elevated motorsports, baby!
Hey! But yeah, we out here right now. We're gonna go meet up with the rest of the boys and talk business. Let's get right on into it. Yo, we got 4 of our cars lined up here. We're waiting for a couple more out there, and yeah. What? Yo, chill.
You know those Hot Wheels? It looks like somebody's one like this, and that's why your wheels are like that. Look, look, look.
Uh-oh. Yo, what a lineup. We got the S2K, the WRX, Evo, FRS. What is that? Another Evo and a thing. And an RSX. What the hell?
Do you realize how like we started going slanted further and further? Yeah.
I think you started this trend.
No, Kobe did. Kobe did.
We curved. It's not a straight lineup.
Fuck, dude, I look like a weeb. Look at the stupid hell of my car.
You said it yourself.
Oh, man.
All right, we're putting on our new Elevated Motorsports banner. Heck yeah, dude.
We buy junk cars.
Oh, man.
We buy jack cars. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. No. What are we doing, guys? What are we doing?
Nope.
God damn it. Alrighty, we're out here getting some gas for the cars. Gonna go take some rollers on a really bright stretch of I-5, which is gonna be sweet. Got my camera. You already know, gang gang. Yo. Also, peep the new merch, guys. You guys want some? Drop in my DMs. We're selling these now. It's sweet. These are awesome. Yo, yo, yo. More power, baby. Yo, we got our own personal model out here.
You like that? You like that? We repping it, baby. We repping
Do you actually like that? So we got some rollers already. We have hit this space in the Lakewood Theater area. Hey, he got it through, boy, yo. Jesus Christ, dude. Can you get any louder? Oh, yep. Is he gonna try it too? Okay. Sheesh. Nice. Dead center, dead center. Oh, he went too much. Yeah, now go back. Yeah. Perfect. He just smiles. We got some new homies rolled up in here. Hell yeah. This is a dope spot. We love it. Holy shit, guys. We're on the side of the freeway. Carlo tried to do a fucking pull, and now we're stuck. Because intercooler piping blew off. We gotta push this bitch all the way down to that exit right there. Let's go. We made it to the sign, but it's another half mile. Still gotta go. The boys don't want to do the work right here because it's gonna be too hard. So we'll have to go down there. Fuck. Oh, you know, just taking the car out for a walk. No big. Start pushing again. Ran out of momentum. Oh my God. That was the longest fucking mile I've ever walked. Pushing a goddamn car. But we out here. Kobe's out here. Ruben's out here. We're about to pop open this fucking engine bay and get it done. What a night. How do you feel?
Good workout.
Good workout. Yo, I did leg day yesterday. This is a mess, my guy. What's up?
Got all the broken cars. You should have raced me.
I know.
I'm just too fast for it.
I told him not to use a burble tune. He used a burble tune. Yeah, we got a cop on us now. I think they're just gonna. Hopefully, they don't give anybody a ticket.
They're just gonna tell us to bleep rule.
Yeah, well, we'll try, but I don't think it's gonna happen right now, man. Fuck. Yo, we got a cop on us.
Yeah, right when I'm fucking with pee.
I know. Oh shit. Hey, yo, he was super chill, guys.
You can give me some peeing. Damn, they got like a couple calls or something. All the cops are
I mean, we're walking. Holy shit. There was just one, too, down there. Oh my God, you see two there? Oh man. How you feeling?
fucking cold, dude.
See, this is tight.
Weekend shenanigans, dude.
Alright, moment of truth.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Okay.
Is it good on that side?
Sweet, 2 more bolts and we should be okay, hopefully. Yeah. Hey, are you gonna reflash
Yeah, I'm
real
gonna
quick?
reflash.
And then don't drive too hard home, huh?
Nah, we're gonna fucking gun it.
No racing.
No, yeah, we weren't racing tonight, were we?
racing. I just definitely beat a WRX today. Drop my phone card.
Not enough power.
Fuck!
You don't have enough power, Carlo!
Oh my God, bro! What the fuck?
You're too slow!
Damn, we lost power in both things.
Yeah, dude.
I feel like Go-Go Gadget, dude.
You look like a little alien every time you turn towards me.
Hey, man, those things are fucking sick. I got a pair.
Dude, they are. What?
Is that me parking?
I think it is. Is this a wrap?
Yo!
Hey, hold on. I got you.
Hey!
Viz Racing.
Oh, it's legit. He's got the badges.
I bought it off eBay.
Oh, okay. Got them custom made.
Custom made.
Yeah, so we're out here.
Shout out to Mike in Oklahoma.
It's an elevated motorsports fun day. We like to practice outdoor training.
Outdoor training. In case we get stuck on a highway in real life situations. Oh, wait. And she's good. Okay, Carlo, don't fuck this up. God damn it. God damn it.
Holy fuck!
Oh shit, somebody went into that sign. Fuck. We are the least of their worries right now. What happened to your motor?
Look at it. Look at it. We have no idea what happened to it yet. We still have to do a compression test, but all the valves look good. Yeah, all the valves are good and they're all even, and the guides look good, and the springs. There's no broken rockers or anything like that. So.
That's good.
But
So what warranted this?
what warranted this?
Yes.
Oh, it's timing belt snapped.
Sad.
So we had to check it out. Turns out the balance belt wasn't replaced, and it took out the timing belt as well.
Damn.
That's what we're on. It's been 2 days since I got it.
I know, I was just gonna say we just dropped the video
Perfect.
and now we're here.